Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Everyone, I hope you all are doing well. I am also fine by the grace of Allah. My beloved brothers and sisters, today I would like to talk to you about a tragic and important event in Islamic history, the event of Karbala. My beloved brothers and sisters, the event took place on 10th of Ashura in the year of 61 Hijri in Karbala. My beloved brothers and sisters, the central character of the event was Imam Hussain ta'ala anhu, the beloved grandson of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the son of Ali ibn Abi Talib and Fatima, the daughter of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. My beloved brothers and sisters, after the death of Muawiyah radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu, his son Yazid became the ruler. But many Muslims had concerns about his leadership, and they believed that the leadership in Islam should be based on justice, righteousness, and consultation. And they saw the leadership properly in Hussain radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu. So many Muslims of Kufa sent letters to Imam Hussain radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu to invite him in Kufa, and they promised him that they helped him and they protected him, and they promised him to stand beside him. My beloved brothers and sisters, trusting their promises, Hazrat Hussain radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu left Makkah with his family, some group of his companions, and began to Kufa. My beloved brothers and sisters, before he reached Kufa, the people who had promised with Imam Hussain radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu broke their promises, and they became afraid and didn't stand with Hussain radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu. As a result, Hussain radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu left in a very bad situation. My beloved brothers and sisters, when Hussain radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu, his family and his companions were in Karbala to Kufa, they were surrounded by a large and stronger army against them, and they were stopped to moving. They were stopped from moving forward, and they were prevented from reaching water. My beloved brothers and sisters, at that time, they faced many problems, and they suffered a lot from thirst, because they were in a hot desert sun. My beloved brothers and sisters, the main event took place on 10th of Muharram, the day of Ashura, my beloved brothers and sisters, at that day, Imam Hussain Razallahu anhu, his family, and his companions were put in a unequal battle. My beloved brothers and sisters, one by one, his family, his loyal companions, his close friends were martyred in the spot. My beloved brothers and sisters, Imam Ali Rasulullah Ta'ala anhu stood with a courage and he was firm until also he was martyred. My beloved brothers and sisters, this event teaches us Islam doesn't depend on numbers and power. Even we are we are few in member, we must stand for what is true. My beloved brothers and sisters, we should always believe Allah. May Allah grant Imam Ali Rasulullah Ta'ala anhu, may Allah grant mercy upon Imam Ali Rasulullah Ta'ala anhu, his family and his companions. Amin. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.